This may look like a typical pegboard. However, when I press these buttons at the top, you'll notice everything lights up, and that's pretty cool, I have to say. This is the AESLIT Magic Glow Panels, and they're currently available on Kickstarter. Now, with that said, there's a lot of question marks that I don't have the answers to, and that's because it is a Kickstarter campaign. However, I will do my best to explain what I'm working with here today. We have a bunch of different accessories, welcome, happy birthday, we have happy new year and Merry Christmas. We have light up photo frames, 4x6, 5x7. We have spotlights like this one here, and we have candles and flowers and numbers and letters and RGB lights. And we have even little glow tiles as well with numbers and letters. So, a good healthy accessory line to start, but there are so many ideas that I've had from just using this thing in a few minutes. So I can only imagine what's on their pipeline. And obviously they'd rather get the product out first and they can always release more later, but this is basically more or less the accessories available from day one. Now, talking about the actual unit itself, it's white. They do have a black version. I don't know when that's actually going to be released. So for now, you can only get white. The back itself apparently is still pending changes. This is what it looks like for me. I don't know what it will look like for you. It has a built-in stand, which is what we're using right now, and it's either on or off. That's it. There's no adjustment. There's no angle changing or anything like that, and it just snaps in. So again, I don't know what this will look like out of my hands. However, one thing I really like about this is the way you connect panels together. So these two are connected, and you get this little connection piece that just snaps right in. There's one on each corner, and that's it. You take that, pop it into another one, and they're connected. So that is really, really nice. It's similar to like Nanoleaf and other tile products. They just click together. Very nice, very seamless. Now, speaking of putting them together, there are a few different options. Right now, I do have these two on the stand. However, I don't think that's their preferred version. They do give you all of the things you need to mount them to your wall. I will not be doing that for this video, but I think that's what they want you to do, big picture. And then they have something called, I believe, poster, where I don't know if I even got the piece, but you can connect 6 of them together with one stand, which would look really nice. So for now, this is how I've tested it, but there are other options out there. It doesn't feel that cheap. I mean, honestly, it's got some nice weight to it. It feels pretty good. I would say the accessories are the pieces that feel cheap. Like this welcome sign feels very, very cheap, but I don't think that's a con. I actually think that's preferred. It doesn't matter what it feels like, it matters what it looks like and what it costs. So if that's going to make this more affordable, so you can buy one for each holiday, then 10 out of 10, I like that more. As far as customization, there's no app. And that to me is just a huge problem in 2026. You would expect to be able to see each tile on your phone and actually customize the color of each thing, and not just color, but mode, right? So what we're looking at here is solid colors. We do have the option for gradients for some of the accessories. So if I go to mode A, there we go. That now looks a million times cooler. And I just wish I could do that for everything else, right? So this one, you kind of get multicolor, not as fluid as this, but other things aren't that customizable. Like the flower, I think the flower is the worst accessory. I don't know what the purpose of it is. I don't know how many people actually want to use that. The candle, I also think is very, very odd. But one flaw I did find is, okay, we want red, right? Everything's red, great. Now, if I only want certain things to be green, I'm going to try to point directly, no, it just didn't. I pointed at the welcome sign and not everything changed, but some things changed. And that's extremely frustrating. So I want to make it clear, customizing this sounds fun, but you can't actually get the results you want. Everything's gradient, and I want this to be red. I can't do it. I just can't. That's a problem with a remote like this, is that although the option technically does exist, it's extremely hard to achieve. So one of my main complaints, you buy something like this to make it yours. And if you can't get each thing the exact way you want, it can be somewhat frustrating. So I don't know how they address this in the future, but an app would just be 10 out of 10. It's not even plugged in right now. That's awesome. The fact that it is battery powered is very cool. However, when you really stop and think about that, even though it is a Pro, how many people are gonna sit here and charge each panel individually at night? So it's good you have this, but I'm just saying it seems a little odd, right? It's a really cool concept, combining pegboards with marquee lights and neon signs and just allowing full customization. Really, really cool. And you can actually 3D print things. That's something they've teased. I don't know the full details, but I would imagine over time they're going to allow you to have access to the infrastructure here, which is pretty nice. But it brings me back to who is the target demographic, because grandma is not gonna hook up her bamboo and be like, yeah, let me 3D print something for Cindy's birthday, you know? It's just, it's an interesting product. I don't know who that person is that's going to buy it, but I'm very excited to see the future of the AESLIT Magic Glow Panels. I'll leave a link to their Kickstarter down below in the description, but with that said, that's it. I'm Matt Philly, you're not, get out of my face, have a great day, and I'll catch you on the flippity flop.